Welcome to the qasimcad YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to use the Extrude, Insert Face, and Bevel commands in Blender. First of all, select the Modeling tab in the top bar and add a cube for modeling. You can find the Add Cube option in the left sidebar. After that, change the object mode to editing mode in the top left corner. You have more options available in the left sidebar. Click on the Extrude command or just simply press Shift-E. For selecting the face, make a rectangle with the help of the left click outside of the face you want to select. Make sure no other vertex leaves inside the rectangle. When the rectangle is selected, the plus sign appears. Click that plus sign and drag and drop. With the help of this, you can extrude as you want. For using Insert Face, select the face of the object by the same method, and then click on the Insert Face command, and then a circle appears. Click the circle, move the mouse in or out, and insert the face as you like. Now select the Bevel command and select the face. This time a fill dot appears. By using the same mouse option, you can do bevel or chamfer the corners. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and leave a comment if you have any questions.